Welcome to my ski trunk. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my brand new Smith goggles. These are the 4D mags. Can't wait to try them today. Looks like it's a little overcast and I've already changed out the lens. This is a set of goggles that has magnetic lenses that can be released. Here, I'm trying to remember how to do it. There we go. So these pop off, and they come with two different lenses, one for low light, one for bright light. So today I'm going to go with the low light. Pop those back in. Here's the other lens. This is the low light lens. So there's the two. So very excited to try these out today. I will report back later.